Julian Wisdom here with your wisdom tip of the week. So water and weight loss, specifically plastic bottled water. Well, plastic bottles have something called BPA, bisphenol A. It's a xenoestrogen, man-made environmental estrogen, and that makes your liver sluggish. How does that affect weight loss? Well, no matter how much you eat right or exercise, the liver has a hard time breaking down your proteins, fats, all the nutrients out of the food because it's trying to take care of this estrogen, fake estrogen. So you will keep the weight on, especially in this area, the gut. Do you drink plastic bottled water? Do you have a weight issue? So what do? Go back to drinking tap water with chlorine? Remember, there are two things that helps when it comes to water and weight loss. The amount, so at least 8 glasses, and the type, the source. My wisdom tip, make sure you have a filtered water. And that brings us to a whole other question. What type of water filters? I encourage your comments. Julian Wisdom, wisdom tip of the week.